Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 12th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in the markets yesterday. The only data to come out was from the US. CPI numbers came in at 0.1%. That was better than the forecast, whilst the core CPI was at 0.3, which was also better than the forecast. We would have thought that the US dollar would have had a strong session as a result of good data, but in fact it was Fed Chair Powell's speech, which indicated although the economy it was looking strong in terms of data, they were concerned about a general slowdown overall. So this put, I guess, a little bit of a dampener into the market, and the US dollar did lose ground against most of the majors in yesterday's session. Alright, that's all that's happened yesterday, so let us move to our chart of the day. Yesterday's chart of the day, which was the GBP USD, has in fact triggered for us and is on its way towards its first target. We are in that trade, so for those of you who have taken it, we're still in that. We're just going to wait it out and see how it plays out for us. This morning's chart of the day is the Aussie Kiwi on a daily timescale. Now, an important thing that I just want to highlight before I talk about this particular chart is, if we have a chart where we've triggered a trade, it doesn't mean we put it away. We just keep it on our hot list because we may be able to trigger again in a different direction. And this is one such case. Now, with this particular one, we triggered a trade up here and we've traded it down. We've already hit all our targets, so we are not in any trade on the Aussie Kiwi. But now I notice that we are forming a very nice falling wedge, and so naturally what I'm looking for is, as this market this market, of course, does come and approach that bottom line, well then, of course, I'm going to be looking for price action reversal again, and if I should get that confirmation, well then I'm more than happy to trade this again in the other direction. So that's very important to note. Once we've triggered, doesn't mean we don't look at that chart anymore. We need to analyze every situation as a brand new situation. Okay, Aussie Kiwi is our chart of the day on a daily timescale this morning. Right, what's coming up for the final session of the week? We only have one solitary bit of data. It happens tonight at 10:30 p.m. from the US. It's the PPI numbers which are due out. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.